to all. I'm Vimal Singh, founder and CEO of Ready Assist, Bangalore. I'm here to ask 5 crore for 10% equity. Ready Assist is a tech-assisted 24/7 on-spot repairs and service provider for both bike and car. We provide 24/7 on-spot breakdown support, towing services, and minor repairs, all on the spot, with our fleet of 500 plus mechanics and 30 plus tow trucks, in which 300 plus is own mechanic and 5 own trucks. Also, we do major repairs for both bikes and cars with a network of around 60 plus garages. And today, we started all these operations in January 2019 with around 20 mechanics doing around 100 incidents a day. And today we do around 2,000 incidents a day with around 500 plus mechanics. And most of the business comes from Bangalore. Today we are operational in 8 cities, 2 tier 2 cities and 2 tier 1 cities and 6 tier 2 cities, Bangalore being the biggest. Rest all cities have been incubated very recently. We are predominantly a B2B player and we do a less part of B2C business. We have clocked around 3.5 crore business in this current year. And what do we? So we have other contracts which has been recently signed, which is also large B2B contracts, and we have been expanding in terms of establishing more B2B contracts and further. So the plan for the current year is to build a strong, skilled labor force and do incremental business with our existing B2B players and acquire 2 more strong, large B2B players and build a technology platform which will enable us to do a pilot on B2C business, which we are planning to do in the current year. Next year, the plan is to, of course, do a large-based B2C business, expand the geos using strong supply chain network, and get prepared for a subscription-based business on a pan-India level, right? And our last round was around 2 crore rupees. We raised at a valuation of 25 crores post-money valuation. I'm here to ask 5 crore for a 10% equity.
So, if I get it right, your current revenue you said is 3.5 crores.
Yes, till Jan.
Do you make any money on that?
Yes, we are operationally profitable from last 3-4 months.
What's the margin like?
So we have a direct expenses of around 45 to 50%, which includes my mechanic salary, wages, incentives, allowances, and the employees who manage the fleet.
Okay. And how many calls do you attend to in a month?
Around 60,000 plus, 2,000 incidents a day.
2,000 incidents a day? Okay.
And major part is Bangalore.
Okay.
And what do you expect to end your year at?
So this year we have a closed deal, which will start from March and which will be paid in advanced, a piece of it. And that's almost 2 crore business a month.
So it's a B2B?
It's a B2B deal. It's a closed deal. Contract stage is going on. So roughly we will close it by around 5.5-6 crores.
This 5 crores, do you have any commitments from anybody as yet?
We are actually in a discussion of a 15 crore larger fund in which we expect to close around 5 crore from this.
Okay.
Right.
So whatever you do here will go into that larger fund?
Yes, larger fund.
So people are free to offer what they believe is right if they want to do it. But the questions, Hemant, you have any questions?
Hi.
Earliest.
Could you go back one slide, please, Avni? Yes. So your revenue is going from 3.6 crores to 5.6 crores to 8.93.
36.
36.
So I have a closed contract which is roughly 2.5 crore per month, which itself will be 20-25 crore.
Sorry, how much? 2
to 2.5 crore a month.
per month.
Per month. This is with Ogo.
If you could just put the flags, for the sake of the format, the flags, because on video it will look odd. So thank you very much.
Please.
What is that, last line, cash flow? Is that the net profit?
Mike, please.
Okay, so this is actual cash flow which comes to the company. Since we do a large B2B business, our payment cycles are typically 60 days.
So I'm still confused.
89
crore is GMV, right?
Sorry? So no, so
Let's talk about 2022-23. 89 crore is GMV, right?
this is a total revenue. So we don't work on a commission basis where we give a vehicle and on the invoice we charge a little
This
piece.
is total revenue.
Yes, yes.
What is that 112? I'm not able to understand.
So that's the actual cash flow. When I say
Is it net profit? What is it? What is cash flow?
the actual cash,
Give me the word for that. I'm not able to understand cash flow.
okay. So let me say I did a business of 1 crore this month, in which my client pays this money after 60 days. Actually, I have done the business of 1 crore, but I haven't received the money yet. So which means I'm in a and I end up paying say 60 lakhs as
Is it
salary.
profit or no? Yes or no?
Yes, we are in profit.
No. Is it profit? What is it? 1 crore 12 lakh, is that profit?
No, he's asking what is the profit number, is that correct?
At 89 crore, what is the profit
What is
number?
the profit at 89?
So profit at 977,
9 crore?
77 lakhs.
10 crores.
10 crores, so which is at second row. Third row, yeah.
After expenses, yeah.
That is net profit.
That's a net profit. I would
That's
say.
profit after tax.
That's profit before tax.
EBITDA.
Yeah, EBITDA.
You're saying 55% margin, gross margins, because 40 to 45% is what you're
Yes,
saying.
yes. What's a direct
Where
expense?
does that 45% goes if 55% margin?
I didn't get.
So what he's asking is,
Huh.
you are making 50-55% gross
Today,
margin.
today.
Your net is coming to X. What is the gap? Where is it spent? Right?
He's asking how is the EBITDA so much lower?
So there is a management cost which is not added. There is an expansion cost which is not
So
added.
direct cost, I think,
So I'm talking about only direct cost which is
That's not your
45.
net. So you can't say it's margin. Your
Okay,
pitch is confusing us.
okay.
What's your ticket size?
Average 150 to 200 rupees. 150 to 200. Yes, we provide all on-spot repairs.
You go on site and do that
Yes,
in 150 rupees.
Yes, mainly B2B. So B2C, it's a different one
What is it
altogether.
B2C?
B2C is where I do an on-demand service to a direct customers. B2B,
what is the price of tickets?
minimum is 250 rupees. The minimum puncture, what we charge is 250 rupees.
You just said you have 500 employees, 350 as of today.
351 employees.
They're employees, right? Payroll.
They are on my fixed contract, which means we don't do anybody on a payroll, but we do an independent skilled labor
They're
contract.
skilled labor.
Yes,
blue
yes,
collar.
yes, yes.
I have a question here, if I may ask. So let's look at 2020-21. You are doing revenue of 36 crores, plus minus a little. About 18 crores is your operational margin, because assume 50% is given to the laborers and
Right,
the cost of products.
Right.
Out of 18 crores, 16 crores is management overlay and your expansion? 16 crores?
So-
Because it's showing only 2 crores coming to the company as profit. 2.7.
So we have, of course, management expense.
But how much is the management expense? You're not paying yourself 5 crores of salary, right?
No, not only us. I mean, the entire team which manages the other fleet.
How
and
big
all
is it? Because that keeps growing, and you are in the 2022-23, you are paying them like 40 crores or 30 crores.
So let me come to this again. This projection is not only about the business model at which we operate. We are also, like I said, expanding to the network operations, right? In which the margins will, sorry?
Network.
Through networks. So that's aggregate network format, where in that case the margin, the entire margin what you make out of a ticket would come down by, say, to around 20%.
So it's already not 50 at all. That was the misleading
So
part, as we said.
today our direct expense stands at 45-50%.
Let me understand the unit economics from a different perspective. So you have one mechanic. Tell me how much does this mechanic cost you a month and how much does this mechanic make in a month?
So there are different categories of mechanics, but
Average, yeah.
to put it short, so there are mechanics who makes roughly around 24-25K, and there are mechanics who make around 45-50K.
Give me an archetype of a mechanic, of an average mechanic. How much do you pay a mechanic?
Let's say 28,000 on average.
28,000 rupees on an average.
Average.
And how much does that mechanic make you in a month?
So roughly around 54,000 rupees each guys.
54,000 rupees is what the mechanic makes. Fair enough. And
Right.
what are the other expenses that you incur over and above? So let's say a mechanic gets you a business of 50,000 rupees. He costs you 25,000 rupees.
Right.
And what's your margin on each mechanic? What are the other line items that go in?
So including all the allowances, all the direct expenses which we pay to the mechanic, which is incentive allowances, it's all together comes around 26 to 28,000 rupees. And other than that, we have capex investments, which is like tools and equipments which we give to the mechanics. And we have other...
What are the other operating expenses? What are your other operating expenses?
So order management team is another operating expense where people keep taking the orders, assign the mechanics and all that. That's internally done today, half automated, half manual. And there is a data reconciliation which keeps on going for billing and invoicing to the B2B
What about
partners.
technology? Do you spend on technology?
Yes, so this is on the coming years. We spend a little on technology today from the profits what we make.
So you spend it from internal.
Accruals, yes.
And what is your use of proceeds for the ask?
So this is going to be used in building the skills, right, reskilling and skilling further, building the technology for the B2B piece, B2C piece, and of course getting more B2B clients.
You have a question?
So you said you provide tools and machinery. So what are the total? What is the depreciation for the year, so that I can get an idea what is the capex and what is the depreciation?
I didn't get this.
You said there are other expenses like you give tools and equipment to the mechanic.
Right.
So there is a depreciation. They have some life. Some have 2 years, some has 3 years.
Right.
So what is that consumption of those tools? Like how much you have invested in those area and how much you?
I have a breakup, not here, but we have a breakup of how much we invested in tools, trucks, and all that. Ideally, tools goes off for a life of 3 years, which means almost 35% depreciation.
So what is that 35% a year?
Sorry?
What that number is 35% right now?
So I have the exact numbers if you wanted to know how much was invested into tools and vehicles and what is the depreciation life for all of this.
To one mechanic, how much worth of tools you give on an average?
So 3 categories. The highest value is 20,000 rupees, who is an on-spot RSA mechanic who goes with a battery and other equipments to repair both bike and car. There are mechanics who does only bike repair who carries 8,000 rupees worth of tool. There are mechanics who does only car scanning, inspection work, who carry around 4,500 rupees scanner, mini scanner.
So minimum 4 to 20.
4 to 20, yes.
So these are typically consumed in 3 years.
Typically 3 years. Some tools can go more than 3 years, but we keep an average of 3 years.
So I can't see the gap between operating and so this is 1,000 rupees per month per mechanic. So I can't, maximum, top side. So I can't see the gap between the operating and his profit.
He said in B2B they will do 20% margin only, so they will charge less.
Get to happen, right?
But that's where all the scale is, apparently. The numbers are not adding up. The
So
expenses-
this,
Right.
I can clarify it offline if at all.
Sure.
Right.
Who did you raise 2 crore from?
10 angel investors, separate
10
group of 10 guys
From Bangalore.
from Bangalore and other places too. So,
Any angel you can name who is?
so one I think I can disclose. One is the CEO of Barclays India, and
How much you invested?
25 lakhs. 25 lakhs.
And what's your exit strategy?
So right now, I mean, we are planning to further build this business and probably merge with some entity who are in the same space in a different landscape, right? But recently, we have gone through some kind of acquisition discussion with an insurance company who wanted to buy out us.
Buy you out?
Yes.
Can you discuss value?
Yes, probably offline, 36 crore.
You should take it.
No, I don't want to.
Immediately you should take it.
I don't want to.
Okay. I don't see any interest of a deal in this round. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.